Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change walkout music in UFC 6. Keep in mind that you can only change walkout music for your career fighter or the fighter you have created inside the game. First, let's see how to change the walkout music for our created fighter. In order to change the music, we need to firstly scroll down inside play tab and then select create fighter. Now from here, you should be able to see all of the fighters you have created so far. I want to change walkout music for this fighter. I need to select him. After that, select edit. Now go to the style option. Here we need to press R1 or RB until we reach the walkout music category. And from here, just select the music you want to have for your created fighter. I want to go with this one. I just need to select it and then just go back from here and select save, and the walkout music for your created fighter will be changed. Now to change the walkout music for our career fighter, we need to firstly switch over to the home tab. Under home tab, select edit appearances. Again, go to styles. Press R1 or RB to go to the walkout music. Then select the walkout music you want to use. And just go back from here to save the changes. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.